Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Charlene, and today's video we're doing the Ulta haul. So if you want to see some of the things I picked up during their 20% off sales that I decided to get, then just stay tuned. All right, you guys, so I got several things here in front of me that I picked up from the couple of Ulta sales that they had. One was a 20% off sale. And so let's just jump right into it. The first thing that I picked up was a couple of these sets. I wanted to give them a go. The first one is the pacorabanne set here. It's their Fame perfume, and it has the little mini. As you can see there, it has the mini in there. Then it also has, so it has a 4 ml and then it has a 10 ml in here. And it says that it is normally $39, but of course I got it on a good sale. So I'm gonna open all these up, and I'll do a future video where I'm doing wear tests with these to tell you my thoughts on them. The other one I wanted to try was from the Ariana Grande line, and this is her Mod Vanilla. I've been curious about this scent, so I decided to get this one as well. And there's the details on the sizes of that one. It comes in the 7.5 ml and a 10 ml. So got that, and then also picked up Cosmic by Kylie Jenner. I was in store with a friend of mine, and I smelled the Cosmic lines, the 2.0 and a regular one. And I prefer the Cosmic one over the 2.0 one. But this one has, let's see, this one has both. So this will be giving me an opportunity to try both of them to do more of a wear test, because I sprayed them on my arm in store, and I kept going back and forth, and I really did like both of them, but I preferred the original one. So I wanted to do more of a testers with these. So both of these come in a 10 mils. So I want to try that out more, and maybe I'll get the bigger bottle in the future after I decide whether I like them or not. So that was the Cosmic by Kylie Jenner. And then I did pick up a couple of the other Ariana Grande fragrances. The first one I got was Thank You Next. So pick this one up. And this one is the 100 ml bottle. And I picked up her Cloud 2.0. So I will be doing, like I said, a future video where I'm gonna take these out the boxes, and then I will do my first impressions on those. So stay tuned to the video. With those purchases from Ariana Grande, they sent this cute little bag with it. This little nice fluffy bag that has a couple of the hair bonnet things in there. So I thought that was cute. So that was the things I got perfume wise, and then I picked up a couple of mists. Now, if you guys saw my other Ulta hauls in the past, you would have saw that I did pick up a sample set. They had the miniatures of the Soldejaneiro fragrance body mist in there. And I told you that some of those favorites that I had of this one, that I was going to get bigger sizes in them, and I was able to take advantage of the sale and coupon. So I did get a bigger size of the Chorizo 48. And what size is this? This is the 8 fluid ounce or 240 ml. Now this one is the one that says that it has the fresh guava nectar, sunlit orchid, and sensuous pink musk. I absolutely love this one. I think this one was on my tray last month, and I got quite a bit of good use out of it. So loving on that. The other one that I got a bigger size in was the Brazilian Crushed Chorizo 68. And so this one is the one that says it has the Brazilian Jasmine Pink Dragon Fruit. And I love it. It is very nice. And it says it also has a touch of sun musk. But this one is another beautiful one that I love. The other one that I loved out of those sets was the Chorizo 76 one. So I got a bigger size in that one. And this one is the one that said it has the Midnight Jasmine, Black Currant, and Amber Woods. And then the last one of the bigger ones that I got, based on those sets that I tried from Sephora and Ulta, was the Brazilian Crush Chorizo 71. So Chorizo 71, caramelized vanilla and toasted macadamia nut, kisses every craving, wrap yourself in the warmth of Chorizo 71. So that's what it says for that one. And then when I was in store with a friend of mine, I was smelling this one, and she ended up getting this for me, which was very sweet of her. But this one is the new scent that they re-released for this year. That is limited edition. They got it on there saying that it's limited edition. It's the number 39. And this one has notes of coconut cream, tropical orchid, and toasted praline. So whenever I test out the other items in there, I will test this one out as well, because this one I have not worn on skin yet. I just, I think I might have sprayed it on my hand just to see what I thought about it initially. And it made me want to get it. And so I had it in my basket. But she got it for me, and that was super sweet of her. But anyways, I will review this along with those other items in a future video. So stay tuned for that, you guys. And they did give me a couple of other little sample things in here. The Flower Bomb Extreme Intense. They put that in there. And then I also had the Dermalogica, you know, gift that I got here. So that was in there as well. And that is it, you guys. So got these items here from the Ulta sales. Really looking forward to, glad I got my backups, the bigger backups of my smaller ones, because I did use that 48 very heavily, and I believe I got 68 on my tray for this month. And these other ones will be moving on to the trays. This 76 and 71, the smaller versions, will make it on my trays for the upcoming months, because I feel like they will work great when it comes fall, winter time. So looking forward to trying those. Tell me what you think of these body mists or those perfumes. Any of those perfumes. The Fame one, I only had a small little sample size in it before, so I want to test it out a little bit more. Mauve Vanilla, like I said, is something I'm interested in, been a little interested in it for a while, and I did enjoy the Cosmic from initial testing, just around, walking around in store, but I'm curious to do a full wear day test with them, see what I think. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like content like this, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you have not already. Drop down in the comments below what you think of those items or of the video. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.